crunchiness. All right, good morning everyone and welcome to another cooking video. Today, as you can see, we have a special guest in the kitchen, one of our Fit Vegan superstars, Amy. We just recorded an awesome Fit Vegan success story episode, which you guys can watch on the channel. So I'm excited to be cooking with us.
Absolutely, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's actually gonna be our pre-workout meal before we go and do a workout together.
I'm scared of that.
Nervous?
Yes, of course.
We're going to fuel properly. So this is a very simple recipe. It's going to be a smashed edamame and mushroom sandwich. Again, very simple ingredients. It's going to be over 20 grams of protein per sandwich and just under 400 calories. It's going to be macro friendly for your reverse diet.
That's good.
Yeah. Amy's in her first week of reverse dieting, so we just bumped up her calories a little bit. So a little meal before the workout and then some delicious vegan sushi later on.
Love that.
Yeah. Awesome. So we will pass it over to Ivy to share the ingredients we're going to be using today, and then we'll involve Amy in the cooking.
We're ready.
Awesome.
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
So for today's ingredients, we will be using the star of the show, of course, the edamame. Then we have mushrooms, which I love.
And we have some oyster mushrooms as well back there. Sorry, shiitake mushroom, just for different texture.
Shiitake and just white mushrooms. Then we have some sourdough bread, of course, for a sandwich. And to garnish with some arugula. Then we have seasonings right here. We have the black peppercorn and sea salt.
Keeping it simple.
Of course, don't forget your lemon. Just a little bit of squeeze and a little oil to just saute later.
Yeah, a little bit of olive oil for the edamame smash, just to kind of help to mix it easier so it's not as dry.
And cook the mushroom.
Yes. All right, let's do it.
So Amy, show us your knife skills.
I don't know if I have any, but
So do you like mushrooms?
I love mushrooms.
Okay, good, because we're gonna have a lot of those in this recipe. So what's your favorite go-to usually when like you have a busy day?
Well, when I cook dinner, I always like to double recipes. So I just have stuff in the freezer ready to go. So if it's a busy day, I'll just pull something out, defrost it, heat it up, and I'm good to go.
Oh, sounds like a pro at this point.
Right now it's cold, so I'm really loving like soups and stews. And
Ooh, what's your favorite?
I have a red lentil one that I really like. It's got a bunch of cumin in it, and I forget everything that's in it, but veggies and red lentils, and you blend it.
Oh yeah,
And it's just,
I made something like that before.
It hits the spot. It's really good.
Yeah, it's filling, high in protein. That's good.
Yeah, that's how she got her abs.
Yeah? You have a six-pack now?
No.
She's being shy.
She got some abs. We saw her update photo.
You forgot.
Barely. They're barely there, but they're kind of there.
How exciting is that?
Yeah, I've never seen that before.
Oh, no way, really?
No, when they first showed up, I was like, no. But
Oh my God. Like ever.
never.
Congratulations. Oh my
you.
God, I'm so excited for you. All right, she's a pro. She did it perfect. All right, then we are going to place them in your pan right here, which we started heating. There we go.
Ooh, don't throw the mushrooms.
And then we'll just add the shiitake ones that's already been.
Yeah,
Perfect.
texture.
I guess we're gonna need something to mix that with.
I didn't put it up there.
Of course you did. This is how it goes.
It's real life.
Is that how it is with your husband too, right? It's like I didn't do it.
Oh, what's this all talking?
We're like, well, there's only two of us here, so I don't know who did it. So we're just gonna let it sit there and cook for a bit. Meanwhile, we have this edamame, which Amy helps so much to take the shells off. I'm gonna test your muscle strength. I don't know, that's a weird one, so if it's easier for a fork, let me know.
Tricep press.
Yeah, this doesn't seem like it's doing anything.
So we're just gonna, even this one's hard to press.
This is hard.
I think it's impossible at this point. Can we just blend this? All right, so we tried, we didn't conquer, so we're going to make this faster and easier. We're going to use our Vitamix. Whoops. Do you agree, Amy?
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Smashing those with a fork was just not happening.
I didn't think about it, but they're hard.
smart. We're gonna work smarter than harder. Amy squeezing some lemon in there for flavor.
She's got good grip strength.
Yeah, look at that. Can't wait to put that in use at the gym. Oh, that's from my mom's tree, by the way.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we don't buy our lemons anymore.
That's nice.
So we're gonna add a little oil. This is half a teaspoon actually. I think that's fine. And then we're gonna add some pepper. You like pepper?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good. I actually don't know how much pepper.
So your heart's desire. That should be fine. We can just taste it after.
And some salt, little
Yeah,
salt.
that's probably good.
Yeah. All right, Amy, you want to mix it up?
Sure.
We'll put you to work.
Yeah, here you go.
So we're just going to use a little bit of water to help mix it up a little bit better and not add any additional calories. So we'll just try a little bit.
So our edamame's ready.
Edamame's ready. Good job, Amy.
It's fair to
Do
say
you
it
want
was
to
a
try
smooth
if
process.
Yeah.
that's good for you, or do we need to add any salt or pepper? Give it a little try. Yum. More
I
salt.
think it's pretty good. I can't really taste the salt, but I mean the lemon really comes through.
All right, your call. More salt, more pepper?
I'm going to say it's fine.
All right, perfect. All right, so what's after that, Ivy?
So we're just finishing up our mushrooms, which is cooking beautifully right now. And then next is actually Amy's favorite, sourdough. Amy likes toasted
Oh
bread.
yeah, toasted. Oh, it's like the best.
Right? That
Warm,
little crunch.
crusty bread. Oh, so good.
Exactly. You're
Best.
speaking my language.
So eating sourdough bread while reverse diet. It's a pretty good situation you got going on here.
It's not terrible.
Yeah. Ignore our shitty toaster people. We've had a lot of people tell us that you enjoy that we do it in a realistic kitchen versus having a fancy one. That's the realities of it, is we have a $20 toaster.
As you can tell.
Yeah, it's assembly time.
Yay, let's see yours.
Okay. This looks really good.
Again, 20 grams of protein, which is pretty great.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Spread's nice.
Have you tried this before? Anything like that?
No.
Yeah.
Yes, us too. It's the first time.
All right.
If it doesn't taste good, it's your fault. So I didn't do anything.
So we have a rule. If it doesn't taste good, it's Maxime's recipe.
Love it.
If it tastes good, it's ours. Nice, some greens.
Get some arugula. All right. Mushrooms. Yum. I love mushrooms.
All right. So good.
It adds texture to the sandwich.
It's like that meaty
Yeah.
texture.
Awesome.
There it is.
Look at that
Oh,
volume.
Looks good.
Delicious. That's how you get abs, Amy. Basically, we're gonna add some arugula to mine here. Got 2 for me, and Ivy doesn't even get 2 slices.
only because I'm saving some for later.
Yeah, you want more arugula?
Yes, please.
Oh yeah, mine is not gonna be as pretty as Amy's. Got mushrooms.
You don't
everywhere.
have the skills. If it was up to Maxime's cooking, he'll just air fry all the tofu in the world.
Yeah, air fried tofu, green beans, and rice. I'm a happy camper. All right, there we have it, our edamame smash mushroom sandwich. Ivy's being a chunky monkey, she has 2 sandwiches. So again, quick and easy recipes. If we didn't have to film it, it probably would have taken like 15 minutes,
Right.
pretty much. Yeah, it also takes a lot longer if you have to film it. So let's give it a shot. Ivy, do you want to go first? So
Yeah.
if Ivy falls down, we don't eat it, okay?
Taste this.
That's the strategy every video. We put a lot of edamame spread in there. Again, 21 grams of protein per sandwich. Is it good? It's good? Perfect. All right, Amy, your turn. Let me hold your plate for you. That way you can use both hands.
It's a monster.
Yeah, it's a proper sandwich. Oh, look at that crunchiness. That sounded good. Are you good? Awesome. Perfect. Well, I'm just going to trust our judgment. I'm going to eat mine off camera at this point. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want us to do more videos with members. And if you're a member watching this, you might be the next one coming to LA to record with us. So Amy, how's it been so far?
It's been amazing. Absolutely amazing. Surreal.
Yeah? Oh, we still have one good part, which is a workout together.
Yeah, we'll ask her again after that.
Yeah.
My answer might change.
We'll put that food to use after this. Awesome. Everyone, thank you very much for listening. Again, be sure to subscribe. Let us know in the comment section below what other recipe you'd like us to make. And if we do more videos with members like this, again, we're trying to keep it as realistic as possible. As you can see by we crammed ourselves into this tiny kitchen, basically. And we will see you in the next video. Ciao, everyone.